feels so weird. Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Cheyenne Nicole back with another video. For today's video, I'm coming at you guys with this golden brown soft glam face bead. So if you like what you see, make sure you keep watching. So first off, I'm starting off with this Skin Science Hydrating Face Serum, and I'm just going in, moisturizing my skin. I have super dry skin, so like hydrating before putting any product on my face is literally a must. So after that, I'm just going in and I'm taking my NYX setting spray. I love setting spray so much, so I'm just taking that, going over, spraying my face. And then I'm going in with my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I am starting with the shade Real Gar. So I'm just making sure I go in, I blend this all out, really making sure like I hit these corners. So now I'm going into my Morphe 35C palette with the color Naked, and I'm just blending that all over my eye, avoiding my lid as much as possible. This color is really just used to kind of help blend all the following colors coming after this. And then after that, I'm doing the same thing with the color Record Temps, kind of just going in through my crease, really deepening that shade, giving my eyes some dimension, but trying to avoid my lid as much as possible. So now I'm going in with my corner, and I'm taking the color Tan Up, and I'm going in on the corner of my crease, the corner of my eye, kind of really just giving it that ombre effect. Right here, I'm just blending it out. Really just making sure every color I put on my eye is blended. Blending is key, guys. Like whenever you're doing any eye look, blending is literally key. If you can't blend, I don't know what you're doing. Girl, what is wrong with me? Like I'm legit so weird. So I'm going back into that Morphe palette, and I'm taking the color Summer Vibes, and I'm just putting that all over my lid. It's a super nice shimmery color. Really making sure I work that color in my eye, really blending it out. Again, blending is key. So I'm just going right in between that brown and the Summer Vibes color, and I'm taking the color Sexy Beach, and I'm literally just helping blend between the brown, and then I'm going back in with Heat Wave from the same palette, and I'm really just hitting those corners again, darkening the look up, giving it a bit more dimension. Okay, so starting my face, I am going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the color 385, and I'm just putting that all over my face, blending it in. Again, I have dry skin, so this foundation is literally like my holy grail. I don't know what is in this foundation, but literally the products used, just amazing. So now I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer, and I'm taking this in the color medium. I'm just putting this all over my face, in my corners under my eye, on my nose, and yeah, I'm just really making sure I highlight these areas. The key to highlighting is making sure you blend out, guys. Like one of the main keys to makeup in general is blending. Like if you can't blend, your face is going to look a hot mess. So make sure you really go in and you blend. So now I'm just going in with my Mercier translucent powder, and I am really just pressing that into my face. I think when you just press it into your face, you get more of like a natural look. So that's what I'm going in with. So now I'm going in with my Anastasia contour kit. It's the powder contour kit in medium to tan. And I'm going in and taking that dark brown shade and literally just contouring my whole face. I don't like using like liquid contours. I think, again, like it doesn't really give you that like smooth, flawless makeup look. It just, I don't know, like I don't want to be like an Instagram Barbie. Like I just want to be me, you know, like I still want to look like myself. So yeah, I'm just going in, and after I put that all on my face and I, you know, contour, bronze my face a little bit, I'm just going in and blending that all out. So now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. It's the cocktail party one, and I'm going in with the shade Scorching, just putting that all over my cheek. So now I'm going in with my NYX Radiant Finish Setting Spray, and I'm just setting my face so that way I can get ready to put on highlight. I'm going in with my Urban Decay Naked Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Lit, and I'm literally just highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, making sure I really just stunt on these. You know what I'm about to say. But yeah, so I'm going in with my highlight and I'm just putting that all over my face. So I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera because, yeah, if you know, you know, that is a struggle. But as you can see, I'm just going in under my eye, and I'm back in that Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm literally taking the shade Real Gar, and I'm just putting that all underneath my eye, opening up my eye a little bit. So I started to go in with my Maybelline Colossal Volume mascara, but I didn't like the way that was doing my lashes. So after realizing I didn't like that mascara, I went in with my Tracy Lengthening mascara, and I found that that just worked a lot better. I don't know what I'm doing here. I think I was trying to figure out like what was next. But basically after that, I went in with my L'Oreal Infallibile Sculpt mascara. It's a liquid mascara, and I just went in and put some faux freckles because I don't know, I've recently just been loving faux freckles. So now I'm just going in and doing my lips, the best and most fun part of any makeup. So I'm going in with my MAC lip pencil in the color Chessnut. It's like the perfect brown lip color. Ladies, if you don't have it, please get it. It's so beautiful, like, oh my God. And then I'm taking my NYX Butter Gloss Lip Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. And I'm just going in and putting that like right in the middle of my lips. Then after that, I just go in with my Morphe lip gloss in the shade Shimmy. And then I go back in with my NYX Radiant Finish Setting Spray, and I set my whole look. So this is the final look. I went and I changed my shirt so I can give you guys like a better, like more sexy vision of what I was, you know, looking like when I finished. If you like this video and you haven't done so already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Thank you for watching.